Hey everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to install a Facebook pixel on WordPress, both manually and using a plugin, so you can track conversions and optimize your ads. First, you need to create your Facebook pixel. Go to the Meta Events Manager. Click Connect Data Sources and follow the instructions to create a new pixel. Remember, each ad account can only have one pixel, which you can use across all your sites. Once your pixel is created, go to the Pixel tab and click Continue Pixel Setup, then select Install Code manually. Copy the entire code under Install Base Code. Now, it's time to add this tracking code to your WordPress site. You have two options. The first option is manually adding it to your child theme. Go to your theme's header.php file and paste the pixel code just before the closing head tag. The second option is easier and safer if you're not comfortable editing theme files. Install the free Insert Headers and Footers plugin. After activating it, go to Settings, gives Insert Headers and Footers, and paste the pixel code into the scripts and header box. Save your changes, and your pixel is now active on your WordPress site. Once added, you can test if your pixel is working using the Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension. It will confirm that your pixel is firing correctly on your pages, and that's it. Your WordPress site now has a Facebook pixel setup, ready to track visitors and conversions. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell for more step-by-step WordPress and marketing tutorials.